What has fueled Detroit's remarkable journey from decline to rebirth, transforming economic challenges into a renaissance of innovation and community resilience? Detroit's journey through the 20th century and into the 21st century is a testament to the city's resilience and capacity for revival. Faced with economic downturns and challenges that tested its spirit, Detroit has demonstrated unwavering strength and determination to rise again. The city's economic challenges, particularly visible in the latter half of the 20th century, triggered a wave of urban decay and population decline. However, the narrative of Detroit is not one of defeat but of rebirth. Through a combination of community resilience, strategic revitalization efforts, and a rekindled spirit of innovation, Detroit is undergoing a renaissance. From the revitalization of downtown and midtown areas to the resurgence of the automotive industry embracing electric and autonomous vehicles, Detroit is reinventing itself. This ongoing revival is supported by a community committed to preserving the city's rich heritage while propelling it into a future filled with promise and potential. Detroit's story is one of overcoming adversity, a beacon of hope for cities around the world facing similar challenges. How do Detroit's diverse communities shape its unique cultural identity? Detroit's cultural landscape is as varied and vibrant as the paint on a canvas, each stroke representing the diverse communities that call this city home. It's a cultural mosaic that beautifully illustrates the city's rich tapestry of African American, Hispanic, Arab, and various immigrant populations. These communities not only enrich Detroit's cultural identity, but also contribute to its dynamic social fabric. The African American community, with its deep roots in the city's history, has been instrumental in shaping its cultural, political, and social evolution, particularly evident in the civil rights movement and the iconic Motown music scene. The Hispanic community, centered around the lively neighborhood of Mexican Town, brings vibrant traditions, colorful festivals, and delicious cuisine, adding another layer of diversity to Detroit's identity. How do Detroit's diverse festivals reflect its cultural richness and community unity? Detroit's cultural diversity is celebrated and showcased through a plethora of festivals and events that draw visitors from near and far. The Detroit Jazz Festival, one of the largest free jazz festivals in the world, is a testament to the city's deep musical roots, offering a stage for both legendary artists and emerging talents. Meanwhile, the North American International Auto Show not only highlights Detroit's status as the automotive capital, but also serves as a global stage for innovation, drawing a diverse international audience. Throughout the year, cultural festivals like the African World Festival and the Cinco de Mayo Parade in Mexican Town. These events are more than just entertainment. They are a vibrant expression of community spirit, showcasing the unique contributions of each cultural group to Detroit's collective identity. Detroit's diverse culinary scene, blending tradition with innovation, stands among the best, offering a unique taste of cultural diversity. The culinary landscape of Detroit is a delicious reflection of its cultural diversity, offering an array of traditional dishes and innovative culinary creations.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.